Yeah, I'm sure by now everyone in South Africa has heard that Phakile Mthakathi has a Zimbabwean girlfriend, which is not a sin in itself. I mean, I've said this many times. We shouldn't police who people love. The other time I made a video about this woman who was getting married to a Nigerian guy, and many people were calling her Jolofina. And I was saying, guys, we shouldn't police who people are dating, especially in the current moment, because we know everyone is in love and you don't control who you can love. So even Phakile Mthakathi, it's okay that he's dating a Zimbabwean girl. The only thing is that this guy is on the street every day telling people they should go back to their countries. Even when you are legal, he's saying that when are you going back to your country? Now, when is Phakile Mthakathi's girlfriend going back to her country? So you see the hypocrisy here. So you shouldn't say who people can date. You should just keep it relaxed, man. If you want to date a Zimbabwean, you can do so. If you want to date a Nigerian, you can do that as well. We must not police who people can love. And if you can see the videos, Phakile Mthakathi is very happy. Look at this video. Even the video I did about Jacinta Gobese, when she said that her mother got married to a Nigerian guy, but she claims that the mother actually didn't do it voluntarily. It was the Nigerian guys who actually went to Home Affairs or used Home Affairs facilities to actually forge documents. So the marriage was illegal in itself. And I told you guys, there's no problem with that. If the mother is a Jolofina, it's not a problem. Even if Jacinta Ngobese herself was dating Nigerian people, it's not a problem. As Africans, we shouldn't discriminate each other. As I've been saying so many times, and I'm going to say it many times again, we shouldn't police who people date. You can date whoever you want. If you want to date a Nigerian, a Zimbabwean, an Ethiopian, a Mozambican, you can do so. You know, it's a free country. But the thing is, you cannot go around in the streets saying that Mabahambe and telling people they should go back to their countries, and the next thing we find out that you have a Zimbabwean girlfriend. I mean, really? And then there's another video as well, Phakile Mthakathi saying that we should ignore all of this. We should keep on, supporting him in his movement. My guy, how can we support you now? Because you are a hypocrite. How can we follow you while you are saying the opposite of what you actually believe? It means behind closed